So what is iCloud and what benefits does the service provide? In this lecture, we'll provide an overview. iCloud is deeply integrated into Apple's current OS X and iOS operating systems. Not only does it provide cloud storage for your email, photos, and documents, it also syncs your contacts, calendars, reminders, Safari bookmarks, notes, and keychain passwords. iCloud can help you locate your device if it is lost or stolen, or even remotely use Macs connected to the same account. Our focus in this course will be on the storage aspects of iCloud for your photos and documents. We will spend time on the setup processes and usage for these aspects in both the iOS and Mac operating systems. All iCloud services are accessed by a single user ID, generally an email address known as your Apple ID, and an associated password. In most cases, your Mac or iOS device will prompt you to set up or log in with your Apple ID the first time you set it up. If you forgot your Apple ID information or need to manage any aspects of your ID, you can visit appleid.apple.com. You will use the same Apple ID with all iCloud services as well as iTunes, the App Store, and ordering online with apple.com. In the next lecture, we'll discuss creating an iCloud account and all of the available settings in the Mac operating system.